Yep, it's August. It's a new month. Happy new month. Let's get right into it. So, bad boy, hit us with what you got for us for the week.
Okay, where are we?
We
All
are
right.
yeah. We are yeah. Shoom, shoom, shoom.
Okay. Well, here's the card. In a downtrend, I'm looking for pullback has happened. I also took this one on Friday and sold to about here. So and sold to about here, but I'm just waiting for like kind of like a double block kind of thing. So like perhaps to come back here, then we'll be selling again. Um, for gold. Good kind of seeing head and shoulders. So I had 1, 2, 3 move again, which is the pullback here. Once I get the pullback here, I'll be selling. And lastly, 30 minutes for
GBP.
Euro GBP. Can see potentially start up a downtrend. So again, pullback here, get a closer below. That's basically from looking at this.
Only these three pairs you're looking at. Are you there? Uh, Gaga, are you there? Okay, let me just share my screen. I don't know what happened. Gaga muted in itself. Um, okay, as usual, I like to like do like a little review of like the previous week. So okay, so yeah. So yeah, AD card was the only trade I took last week. I kind of had some other things to do, so I didn't want to be in the market for too long. Anyways, yeah, it did hit TP on nice trade, AD card. It took it on Tuesday and closed on, I think it's Wednesday candle, yeah, Wednesday. As you can see, hit our TP and later reverse. I kind of still like this same area is at like as if it still wants to sell. So I'll probably visit this back. 80 NZD. Oh, this one was another nice one. I didn't take this trade. I only took 80 card. What we wanted it to happen laid out to perfection. If you recall from last week, if you watched the previous YouTube video, I know I wanted to break, pull back, and continuation. I would have taken this trade later on in the week, but I didn't want to overexpose myself since I already had a running trade on AED card. This was actually nice as well. Been a 1:5 trade. Amazing. AD USD too. I had this on my watch list. Similar to AD card. It did it in, I don't know, but I think my TP would have been around here, but I didn't take it anyway. So yeah. Am I interested in this again? Huh. I really don't know at the moment. Not really, not really. Not really, not really. Doesn't look bad to be interested in it. To look for buys, maybe pull back and you buy, but I have to look at other pairs before I can see the pairs I had from the previous week. Gold, I had buy bias on gold, although I didn't take it as well. So it did happen, the pullback. Then on Wednesday, I think there was a news, just made everything go up. Since the market is still around the same area, I was looking for the buys. I think I'm still going to be looking for the same thing I was looking for from the previous week. Yeah. What I'll just be looking for is like another pullback to this zone, maybe do some market structure. The only time I'll be looking for sells on this trade is if this happens, maybe it breaks below and pull back. Well, at the moment, since it's like this, I'll just wait and see what market structure will be like. So maybe like on Tuesday, I'll visit this back. I'll actually take this as my first pair now. Like, yeah. So if this happens, I'll sell. If this happens, then I'll buy. GBP NZD, I think I was looking for sales from the previous week, but if it broke above, and yeah, that did happen, the sales did happen. Hmm, hmm, hmm. 4 hours. Yeah. I'm not interested in this week. UAUD, I wanted to buy you or sell you. I wanted to sell you AUD, I think. I can't recall anymore. Where was Monday candle? Tuesday, Monday. So yeah, I think I wanted to sell exactly. So this was, yeah, it didn't really happen. I kind of uh, I like the idea of looking to buy this pair now. I'll just be waiting for maybe a little pullback to this zone and maybe change the structure on like 30 minutes, 1 hour. Yeah, hmm, not bad. Not bad at all. So 15 minutes. Yeah. Okay, I like this actually. The only problem now is that there's kind of like a resistance here. So I don't know, but since it broke this high, and I would like to see a candle close above this week here. So it depends. I kind of like this. Not, doesn't look bad at all. Look for a buy from this zone, and yeah, just something very minimal. Well, I have to look at that page before I know whether I'm making a decision yet. Oh, yeah, that's 100. Would have been one of my best trades from last week. Yeah, last week was kind of like nice. We had most of our pairs play out. So I wanted to sell this pair, but the pullback didn't occur, so I never had the chance to look at it. So I like as it closed as a doji the last day. So I'll be waiting for still same thing, just get here at once and that's all I need. That's just all I need. But I don't know if it should get here. It already gave us like an engulfing. It can from here just go down. Nah, it depends. I'll just keep a close eye on it. I'm more interested like the previous week. So let me just see what do we have for this week. CFSG. Oh boy. Oh boy. Wow. 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 Yeah, I remember this pair. I said I liked it, but I didn't want to take it as my top pair. Like, wow. I don't even know what to say. I'm speechless. Like, wow, wow, wow. Hmm. In 2 days, 593 pips. That's crazy movement. I'm no longer interested in this because there's nothing I want to be looking for here. What? No, this is mad stuff. So, USD card. Hmm. Hmm. Are we there? Yep, we are there. Okay. Oh, doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. Think, yep, is hmm. Okay. Doesn't look bad at all. So with this, I'm looking to buy it, but obviously I want to see like market do its thing, like the if it wants to break below, that's the business, but I just want to see market structure before I can take the buys. I'm interested in buying this. I think I marked this a while back. This should be my first bet for now. I think I'll take gold a little bit higher. Mm, GBP USD. Hmm. Hmm. Telling you it's bad actually. Okay. I don't know if I took this server, but I took it. Let me just remove it. I need to start clearing my charts so that I can know what I'm looking for. Well, okay, with this pair, all I just want to see if I'm not looking for the buys is if market does this break below here and that is all. I'll be selling this pair. So yeah, that is it. This pair now is something I'll look out for like maybe from like Tuesday. And yeah, TP will be around here, I guess. I said we wanted to be here, but TP should be around here. Stop loss depending on how market opens. So somewhere around here. Hmm. Interesting. GU goes up. Here's the CHF. I broke below again. Hmm. Uh, you asked me, I'll still want to buy this pair, to be honest. I want to buy this pair, but with this big weekly bearish engulfing, I'll just let it go for this week. ADJPY. Interesting. I think all the JPYs will be like this. One weekly engulf how many weeks? One, two, three, four, five, six, seven. Like wow, like almost 2 months candles. Interesting. Not interested then. NZDUSD. Hmm. Need a good resistance level. Market goes. Hmm. That's already reacted from this zone. At the bounce, at the resistance, either it breaks above and continue or makes a pullback. I'm not sure. I want to look at you. Is it the card? Hmm. Oh, and this is NFP week. Oh, interesting. It's a new month, so yeah. Card GPY. Sheesh. If you ask me, I want to look for a counter trade, but I don't know. I'd love to find a counter trade, maybe something where you come here and continue the sales, but what's the point? Although this happened in one day, I don't want to be waiting. I'll just let it go. Hmm. ADCHF. This doesn't look bad. So this is where we're looking for sales, break above in the weekly, daily. Not bad. Not bad. 4 hours. Okay, I like this actually. So I'll just be waiting for a pullback and I buy you. That's what I'm waiting for. What did GPY? Thank you for you. I'll come back to you in the future. Like I've not been bad to sell this one, pull back and continuation of the sales, but I'd rather just let it go. But this area is quite a good area. Hmm. Pull back, sell. Hmm. Yes, 30. You are not ready yet for me. Mm-hmm. No, not really yet. I'm not interested. GBPCHF. Nice, nice, nice. Mm. Mhm, mhm, mhm. Kind of consolidating this whole move, yeah. If anything, maybe a break above or a break below, then I can look about. There's no point. I'm not interested. Daily, hmm, he is getting some momentum. Hmm. Did I UGBP? Selling you would have not been bad, but I'll just let you go. I'm interested. UG, wow. I think this week I'll just not aside this NZD JPY, I'll just let this JPYs be like this. Mm-hmm. 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 We can go AD&CT. ADUSD. Should I oblige on the it should be I'm filling the card. Still looks valid though. This, 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 things like a left, head, right shoulder, pull back. This not really the neckline, but actually, I'm still very much interested in you. I'll put you back up. So close here to this point. And let me look. Last 100. I'm looking to sell you still. Gold, I'm still looking to sell and buy you. Sorry, to buy and or sell you depending on what you do. So yeah. So anyways, this is what I'll be looking at. My first bet for the week is USD card actually. Waiting for a pullback. What if I pull back on USD card? Then I buy. Then for AED card, even if I'm interested, I believe this will just happen immediately because I wanted to do a lot of things first. So I like to see a break below, similar to how I took the trade before. So I like to see a break below the AOI, then I'll be interested. GBP USD, I want to do what to this pair. What I want to do, I want to sell to similar to like AED card. I want to see a break below. So I think that should take a while. So ADCHF is hmm, might take a while too. UGPY, this is not even meant to be here at all. So gold, yeah, almost there. So I don't really have much I'm looking at. So technically, my main pairs are USD card, AUD card, gold, then GU, which I want to sell and I need this to happen before I'm interested in looking at this market. It might not be the case. Maybe if it keeps going up, then I'll wait for a pullback and I buy it. But for now, I would like to sell this pair depending on how the market opens. So yeah, that is it from me basically. Doug, are you there? Gaga, are you there?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Nice one.
So yeah, so that's it from me as usual. So wishing you blues have a positive week. Happy new month once again. Happy new week. Actually, everything is just new this week. So happy new week, happy new month, happy new day as well. Blue week as usual. Positive week ahead of us. Let's see as it goes. Let's smash them goals. I don't know, but I think I'll just be holding on to USD card more because that is like the only pair I'm really feeling. The rest I'm kind of like maybe 50-50. But anyways, blessed week. Peace out, my G.
Same.